Hello everyone, how are you? Fine? Okay. Now start the chapter. First chapter, lesson 1, the French Revolution. We have discussed before that directory rule, how Napoleon rise in France. Now only two topics left. Did women have a revolution? The abolition of slavery in France. First we will take, did women have a revolution? From the very beginning, women were active participants. Participants mean to take part in the struggle. यानी when the movement, यानी war was going on, so women were taking actively participate. But the conditions of women of three states, we know very well. French society was divided into three states and was different from first and second states. It means first and second states women's positions was good comparatively to the third states women. Through this revolution, they got platform. As a result of 16 women's club come up. For that purpose, women also made a political club. What is the meaning of political club? Where they can discuss about the government policies and programs. For that purpose, they have made 16 women's club. That is the main famous, the Society of Revolutionaries and Republic of Women. That is the most important women's club. And what was the main aim of that club? They wanted same political right those enjoyed by the men as a man. So they demanded equality, yani they also want a voting right and right to vote. Since they were disappointed by Constitution of 1791, when the Constitution made in 1791, women were disappointed. Why? Because they didn't get the voting right. Because that time they had divided the citizens in two parts, active and second we can say that passive. Active means those who can cast their vote, those who had right to vote, or women were called the passive citizens. It means they didn't get the voting right. So that's why when Constitution made in 1791, women were disappointed. हालांकि जब मैक्सिमिलियन रोबोस्फियर का रूल आया तो वीमस गॉट सम बेसिक राइट्स, जैसे उनको स्कूलिंग शिक्षा का अधिकार मिला, उनको जो मैरिज केस था वो आगे बढ़ाने का अधिकार मिला, कुछ बेसिक फैसिलिटीज मिला, बट दैट वाज नॉट प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल, नॉट प्रैक्टिकली. तो फाइनली इन विच ईयर वीमेन इन फ्रांस गोट द वोटिंग राइट? फाइनली इन 1946 दे गोट द वोटिंग राइट. नाउ वी विल गो ऑन द सेकंड पॉइंट, द एबॉलिशन ऑफ स्लेवरी. हाउ द दास प्रथा का अंत कैसे हुआ, फिर फिनिश कैसे हुई? द सोशल रिफॉर्मर ऑफ जैकोबिन रेजिम, यानी कि ड्यूरिंग द जैकोबिन गवर्नमेंट, यानी कि ड्यूरिंग द जैकोबिन पीरियड वॉज एबॉलिशन ऑफ स्लेवरी. यानी कि स्लेवरी सिस्टम को कब हटाएगा? ड्यूरिंग दैट वाज द मेन पॉइंट. यानी कि मैनी रिफॉर्म्स वर डन बाय द मैक्सिमिलियन रोबोस्फियर. अमंग देम दैट वाज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, एबॉलिश द स्लेवरी सिस्टम फ्रॉम द फ्रांस. Finally, National Convention. National Convention means newly elected assembly in France in 1794. Legislative मतलब to frame a laws according to that to free all slaves. According to that all slaves will be free. यानी कि नेशनल असेंबली ने कानून बनाया 1794 में. इसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या किया कि जो भी स्लेव्स है सबको क्या कर दिया जाएगा? फ्री. बट 10 years later means in 1804, when Napoleon sat on the throne, he reintroduced again slavery system in the France. But after that, what happened? And finally, slavery system abolished in 1845. It means finally, slavery systems abolished and finished from the French society in which year? 1848. Okay. Now our all topics discussed in the French Revolution. We have discussed about what do you mean by French Revolution, what were the causes of the French Revolution, and what is the incident of the tennis court, why the third states people, volunteers attacked on the Bastille Palace, and how the National Assembly formed, how the Constitution made in France, how the in France constitutional monarchy made, and how the constitutional monarchy abolished, and how the France became a republic country. What was the role of the Jacobin government, and what was the role of the directory rule, and how the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, and women's how they got the voting right, and how the finally slavery system Ablois from the French society. Thank you.